Hello guys, welcome to my channel Money Makers Series 1. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make a ton of money online doing a very simple strategy. Okay, not everyone is doing this. It is completely unsaturated and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money out of it, and it may take you 1 or 5 to 10 minutes a day to make money with the strategy. All you need to do is work 5 to 10 minutes a day and you can start making a ton of money with the strategy. And let's get started into the video. Let me explain to you the entire strategy step by step. Do watch this video till the end if you want to understand all the things, and if you are really interested in getting something which can earn you a sustainable amount of money, then you can check out the first link in the description. Usually I don't promote any products on this YouTube channel, but this is something or a system which I am personally using. It's working for me, and that's the reason why it's my recommendation that you can get that system if you really want to make some awesome money online. Okay, but for those who don't have any money for beginning in the start, for those this is the strategy with which you can make some awesome money and you can start generating your first online income, because this is something which is absolutely for beginners. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Let's get started into the content. I will be revealing to you the entire strategy step by step. Take out your notebook, take out your pen, and just keep noting down whatever things I'm gonna explain to you in this video. Okay, this is going to be a long video, so stick till the end. So now let's get started. Let's just minimize, and the first thing is that I will show you one of the videos. So you can see this is a video. Now what is the best thing about this video is that he is just showing 6 shirts, okay, which men should buy in 2020. Okay, now this is something which is really interesting, because all this guy is doing is that he is using some of the images, okay, of men wearing shirts, and he is just making a compilation video out of it. And what he is doing is that he is uploading those compilations to his YouTube channel. Now the thing is that this guy may be earning a lot of money with this YouTube channel, but the thing where he is making a mistake is that he hasn't provided any links to these shirts in the description, because this is a type of content which people watch because they want to buy something. And if this guy has provided some of the Amazon affiliate links of these shirts in the description, then this guy would have made a ton of money out of it, because you can see almost 100,000 people has watched this video, and that's something which you can do, because all making this type of videos is very easy. Okay, it will take you 5 to 10 minutes a day to make this type of videos, and you can just upload a bunch of videos to YouTube. The thing is that in the strategy you just have to upload a bulk of videos. Okay, the more videos you upload, the more money you make, the more Amazon affiliates you links you are putting out in every different video. Okay, so there can be top 6 shirts for men, top 6 shirt for women, or you can just write down top 6 t-shirt for men, top 6 t-shirt for women. Okay, top 6 scarves for women, or top 10 shoes for men. All this type of, the thing is that you just need to have some images of that particular product and make a compilation video just by that. Okay, now I'm going to show you. The first thing is that you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Okay, there are a ton of videos on YouTube on how to sign up on Amazon affiliate program. That's something which I'm not going to show you in this video, because probably most of the people are knowing how to sign up on Amazon. Okay, so once you have got your Amazon, okay, affiliate account, all you need to do is get your Amazon affiliate link for a particular product, which I have already got one affiliate link which I'm gonna use in this video. Okay, so we have got our Amazon affiliate link, we have got the product which we are going to promote. Now the thing is that most when you go to amazon.com, let me go to amazon.com and show you how the strategy is actually done. Okay, so let's get to amazon.com, a really pretty website, and this is really something which is a gold mine for money. Okay, really, I think Amazon is one of the best. Just type in t-shirts. Okay, so we have typed in t-shirts. Okay, now you can see all these t-shirts are available. You can take out any of the t-shirts whichever you like. Okay, now for example, if I want this t-shirt, okay, what I will do is I will click on this t-shirt and the bigger picture of this t-shirt will be available. Okay, what most people will do is that they will download this image, but if you are going to download this image, the quality of the t-shirt is not gonna be good, and that's the reason why I don't recommend to do that. But the thing you can do is that you just need to type in over here. If you are using a Windows computer, you just need to type in snipping tool. Okay, so just type in snipping tool and you can just take a screenshot of this t-shirt, okay, using the snipping tool. So you can see here I have took the screenshot of this particular t-shirt, okay, and that screenshot is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so you just need some software to take screenshot, or you can use your smartphone and take screenshot of this t-shirt. Okay, that's really simple, and that's how you need to get this t-shirt, okay, or the image of this t-shirt, because if you are gonna download it, the quality is going to be really bad, and we do not want bad quality images. Okay, so that's something which is the first step. So you have got the t-shirt, you have got its image, and the first step has been completed. Now the second step is that you just have to do something which is really simple thing, and that is download 10 to 15 images of these t-shirts. You don't need to go for the top 10 keywords. Okay, you just have to focus on the keywords top 6, top 7, top 15, top 20. Don't go for top 5 or top 10, because there is a ton of competition on those type of videos. You need to make videos on top 3 or top 6, top 7, top 8, top 15, all that stuff. Okay, but don't go for top 5 or top 10, because it will take a very long time for you to just beat all the competition in those. Okay, but if you are aiming for top 15, top 20, then there is some huge chance that you will just end up getting more views. Okay, and that's the reason why I'm telling you. Okay, so once you have got the image of this t-shirt, all you need to do is download a free video editing software which is known as OpenShot Video Editor. You need to go to a website which is known as openshot.org, and you can just download this free video editor. You can also use a video editor on your smartphone, which is KineMaster or Power Director. These two are the video editors which are available on Android. I don't know about Apple, but these are the video editors which I am using on my Android smartphone, and I know these are available. Okay, so if you are using an Apple device, then you just research out that which are the best video editors for Apple. Okay, Apple iPhone. Okay, so now the thing is that all you need to do is just take out this. Okay, so here's the image screenshot which we have took. Now what you need is some copyright free music to add in the background of this video. You don't need to give any voiceovers on this video, because if you are gonna give a voiceover on this video, it will take a lot of time for you to make that video. Okay, if you are gonna provide your voiceover, but if you are not gonna provide the voiceover, there is a chance for you to make 1 to 5 videos per day, because if you are not providing voiceover, it becomes really easy to make this type of videos, and instead of uploading one video a day, you can upload 2, 3, 4, 5 videos every single day, because you are not providing voiceover. And that's the reason why it becomes a really fast process for you, because we are focusing on uploading bulk number of videos utilizing this strategy. Okay, so the thing is that all you need to do is grab this t-shirt image, place it on the timeline, and grab this copyright free music. That's it. And all you need to do is click on this red button, which is the export button, give the name, give the project, just take out 10 to 15 images just like this. Okay, just take a screenshot of 10 to 15 images. Don't just go for one image. Okay, then all you need to do is click on that button, give the name of the file, let everything be it, and select just this 1080p 1920 into 1080p 1080p 30 frames per second. All you need to do is select this and export the video, and once your video is exported, you are ready to upload it onto your YouTube channel, and you just need to provide Amazon affiliate links in the description. Okay, so once you have signed up for Amazon, you will see this type of once you have signed for Amazon affiliate program, you will see this type of strip which will appear. Okay, all you need to do is click on this text and you will find your Amazon affiliate link. Now all you need to do is give your affiliate link in the description of the YouTube videos. Okay, so if you are making this type of YouTube videos like a compilation video, all you need to do is you can buy this t-shirt here and provide your Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so if you are making 10 t-shirts, then you just have to provide 10 affiliate links to those 10 t-shirts. Okay, and whoever wants to buy the t-shirt will click on that link, and within 24 hours whatever he buys from Amazon, not probably t-shirt but anything, whatever he buys from Amazon, you are gonna get 1 to 10% commission of that. And with this strategy, any beginner can make money with this strategy. This is something which is absolutely beginner friendly, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money. Okay, and this is something which can be done by any one of you starting from today. Just after watching this video, you can jump and hop into your computer or your smartphone and start applying this strategy and start making money out of this strategy. You can do this part time, even if you are doing a job, you can even do this part time, because all it's gonna take is 10 to 20 minutes every single day, and you can start earning some revenue with this strategy. And day by day, more videos you upload on your YouTube channel, more of your affiliate links are out, the more money you will be making. This is going to be scaling very fast, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money with this very simple strategy. Just don't go for top 10 or top 5, because there is a ton of competition. Just go for top 6, top 7, top 15, top 20, all these keywords, and you can make some awesome money with this very simple, easy strategy. Not everyone is doing this, and that's the reason why you can make a big chunk of money doing this very simple thing. And if you really want to learn a very easy and plug and play system to make some awesome money online, you can check out first link in the description. That's something which I'm personally using, and that's something which has got me a lot of results. So if you are a bit advanced in affiliate marketing and want to make money seriously, then you should definitely check out that. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.